If you're trying to write a VSL for cold email outreach, you can either spend 10,000 hours trying to master copywriting, or you can watch this video and get your VSL set up in about 5 minutes. And by the way, the most important part is that it actually sounds human. So how do we make this so simple that anyone can do it? Well, our secret sauce is that we spent a lot of blood, sweat, and tears on writing our VSL template. We're then going to load that into a custom AI, not ChatGPT, by the way, and then describe the business that we want to write our new VSL for. And then it will output the results for you in a matter of minutes. Now, the key thing here is that it keeps the principles, a good VSL, and it keeps the writing style of a human. And I'm going to show you a live demo now so you can see how to build it yourself. And if you want my custom template, there's a link in the description where you can get all of that. By the way, my name is Nick, and we install these cold email lead gen engines into businesses. And this video is part of a series where we're showing all the steps to do that. This is a free checklist we give away, and the VSL template is linked on the checklist. All right, so let's go over to Claude. Claude AI is the writer that we use. And for this, you're going to need to go to the projects option and create a new project. Really quickly, you're just going to name it something, VSL writer. And then you're going to describe what you want it to do. So for my purposes, I just tell it that I want you to write a VSL for my business. First, ask me about my business, then use the example in the knowledge base to write the VSL. That's all you need to type. Then the next step is to download my VSL example and drop it into this knowledge base right here. So there you can see it. And then in this prompt, we're almost done here, is just to describe your business. So if you're following along on the series, we are doing a business. We are installing automated shorts systems into companies. So our current offer is to do that for $3K one-time setup where the owner never has to record a short again because it's cloning their voice, their face, it's installing an editor, and it's also doing so without sounding like AI by mining the owner's insights and experiences and stories and B-roll from their life. Let's go ahead into Claude and describe that business and the lead magnet that we are going to offer companies here. All right, I wrote this long description, right? Obviously, I want to do a good job describing here because I'm feeding data into the AI. So I actually haven't tested this, so let's see how it comes out for this particular offer. We've used it on previous clients before, but not on this offer. So it's thinking, and now it's generating. So let's go ahead and read it together. You're a business owner running a successful company, but there's this constant pressure to create content. Everyone keeps telling you that you need to be posting on social media, that you need to be building your personal brand, putting yourself out there. And deep down, you know they're right. You've seen others in your industry blow up on social media, getting endless leads, building massive audiences, all because they show up consistently with great content. But here's the thing. You're already wearing 10 different hats in your business. You're dealing with clients, managing your team, you're working on the business and actually delivering results. The last thing you want to do is sit down in front of a camera trying to think of something viral to say. Record take after take until it feels right. Spend hours editing only to get a handful of views. I get it. I'm Nick Nihal, and I help busy business owners create endless, high-quality content without ever having to record another video. Think about it. If you could clone yourself, what if you could clone yourself? What if you could have a digital version of you creating content 24/7 using your exact voice, your exact mannerisms, your exact knowledge and expertise, but without ever having to spend a single minute recording? Sounds too good to be true? Let me show you how it works. We've developed a system called Never Record that captures your unique knowledge, engages scripts, advanced AI, combines real footage, adds professional animations and effects, and produce endless short form, blah, 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 feel 100% human. The result, content that builds your brand, connects with your audience, drives real business results, all while you focus on what you do best, running your business. But here's the thing. I could tell you all about how amazing the system is. I could show examples of other business owners using it. I could break it down, the technology behind it, but I'd rather prove it to you. See? Beautiful, right? That's why I'm making a special offer. I want to produce a few videos for your business completely free, no strings attached, no credit card required, no hidden commitments. If you like the videos, you can use them. If you don't, no problem. Why am I doing this? Because I know once you see the quality, once you experience what it's like to have content that sounds exactly like you, shares your experience, connects with your audience, drives engagement, you'll never want to go back to the old way of creating content. Here's what happens when you click below, right? And so that's it. No risk, no obligation, blah, blah, blah. And that's like, I mean, you know how many years of cold email experience you would have to need to write a VSL like this? And that's why I wanted to show you guys this method. So pretty much I just take that, and typically what I do is I paste it into a Google Doc and I start editing the piece or adding maybe examples, screenshots, images. And so this is what my process looks like. So you can see I start showing like illustrating certain points by drawing them out. You might have a different process, but the thesis remains the same. You don't want to spend 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, or if you're new, 10,000 hours mastering copywriting. Let us use that mastery, that 10,000 hours, and compress it, produce a result that is 80 to 90% there, and then you just overlay it with your stories and your little pictures that you think illustrate the point. Do this, and I promise you, you will save yourself a lot of time. If you like this video, watch the others in the series where we show you how to install a lead gen engine into your business. It's literally a checklist that once you get to the bottom, you now have an asset that can get you leads anytime you want.